sunny, but there are many seasons that we can experience at Spa here, so it looks like it's going to be dry, but as you know, anything can happen at Spa. So we are back in the Lotus Elan 26R, the class-winning car for the past 4 out of 5 years. We're looking to try and make it 5 wins from 6 years this year. This year I'm driving the Graham Wilson-owned car with regular co-driver Ollie Sterling and British GT driver and International GT Open champion Sean Balfe, which is a welcome addition to the team. So it's now the Saturday, so it's race day. The paddock is lively, the paddock is kicking, and our race starts at 4 o'clock later on this evening. It's about 1:30, 2 o'clock now, so we've got a few hours to wait still. Qualifying went very, very well. Well, let's look at some of the highlights from that very, very busy session now.
So, a super important thing about Spa 6 Hours, over 120 cars on the circuit, is getting a free lap. And qualifying is pretty mad. This year they chose to run qualifying all in the dark, so some hobby racers, maybe slightly older, were driving their first laps of the weekend in the dark. It made qualifying very interesting. So even though I set this lap up to be very clear at the beginning, the traffic situation is a big thing, so you're never really going to get a clear lap, so sending it even on the body in the traffic to try and get the best lap possible day. And I think some of my Nürburgring VLN training came to help here, because lots of different performances of cars and drivers as well, and just trying to make the best lap time that you can overall. But no, it was a good qualifying session. P20 overall, P1 class, matched my time in comparison to last year, so yeah, good to go for the race.
So yeah, we're on pole position in class, P20 overall. There's a number of GT40s and an E-Type that are ahead of us, so we're not too fussed about that, apart from bragging rights really. The race itself, yeah, it's roughly 6 hours, sometimes a bit shorter because of the curfew and the late start. 3 stints, fueling in the middle. The Elan can run the full 6 hours with just 1 fuel stop with a 100-litre tank. It lasts for absolutely forever. And yeah, it's a bit of a tortoise and the hare situation. We are fast, but not as fast as the GT40s, but we don't need 2 fuel stops, which the GT40s need, for example. So by come the end of the race, we're looking for a top 10 overall. The words overall podium have been mentioned because of the consistent lineup and the pace of the car, so we shall see, we shall see. If we can have a clean race, then yeah, come the end we might be able to. So yeah, let's go have a look at the car, and then after that we'll check back once we're on the grid for the start.
So here we have the 2 Wolf Engineering engine cars for the 2018 Spa 6 Hour. The Lotus Elan here, powered by a Lotus twin cam engine, 1600cc, Smurfway engine, producing about 180 brake. Whole car weighs in around 700 kilos, class 5. On the right hand side of the garage we have the Ford GT40. This car has a V8 engine, 4.1 litre engine, producing around 480 horsepower. Open pipes allowed at the Spa 6 Hour, which is brilliant, which makes for a brilliant sounding car. I thoroughly recommend it. Have a quick look inside the car itself. You see wooden dash, proper gear stick, wooden gear stick as well, removable steering wheel, racing system and OLED system in the car as well for driver training and overview purposes. For the night running, we're also putting a rally light box on the front as well, so you can see.
So the race is starting late as per, so we've just been moved off the grid. Awesome arrangement of cars around us, millions and millions of pounds worth of GT40s. Let's go racing! That's epic, that is.
Oh yeah. I just got my head stuck into the sunset shift. I also had a duty last year, 2017, I left the lights on the car because I did the fueling. Then started, so I learned from my mistakes last year. Yeah, same order as qualifying, lots of traffic, lots of rush, cars, basically like a relay race. Turn the car off, stop at the pumps, open the boot and then fuel the tank. Luckily no drama this year, quick fill, back on track, good to go, into the city. as well. Driver in.
Steering wheel on.
Steering wheel on. And back out again.
So stint's done. It's very up and down. Sean did a fantastic first stint to hand over to P1 for me. We got lucky with the safety cars, so we're able to stay half a lap ahead of our rivals, which was really good. Gave us a nice cushion so that we didn't have to worry too much about safety cars and things like that potentially affecting us. So yeah, I jumped in and just cracked on basically, tried to pull out as big a gap as possible really. And I think ultimately I maintained the gap that Sean had already set, so that shows the pace of our rivals and the pace of Sean as well, which was a fantastic job. I then went and filled the car halfway through my stint, primed the car to then go to the end of the race, and then with an hour and a half left, hand over to Ollie, who's currently been driving in the nights at the moment. So yeah, he's cracking on, plenty of safety cars at the moment. Fingers crossed it all continues to go our way and the Wolf car maintains its fantastic reliability run. So yeah, let's check in just before the end. Yes! Winners! Yes! Winners! Get in! Nice, man. Well done, my man. Yeah, I don't think they said it. Well done, bruv. Yeah! Great car. Well done, car. He's excited, isn't he? Oh, just now. Hello, mate. Well done for seeing you out there.
Ça c'est fait. Et si vous nous trouvez comme Gallo Gomez et James Ferry, vous les envoyez sur le podium as quick as possible. Merci bien, on peut y aller avec les trophées, avec Graf und Faber Castel qui s'associe également.
eBay, yeah. Got it?
Think so. That's it. Lotus Elan, bien sûr, avec la version 26R, célèbre version R, bien évidemment, qui s'impose ici avec le top et on les voit.
Race, brilliant results. Excellent. Yeah, it all came together for another year. Class and here I kind of just left the GoPro dangling and enjoyed the moment rather than tried to capture it too much. But yeah, big thanks to Sean, big thanks to Ollie for being mega teammates, big thanks to Andy Wolf and the Wolf Engineering crew for helping us get this mega result again, and a big thanks to Graham as well for a mega car. See you next year, hopefully.